Lemon water is a delicious and healthy drink that can boost your health in many ways. It can help your digestion, blood sugar levels and acne by providing vitamin C, antioxidants, citric acid, and hydration. Here are 10 ways how lemon water does that. 1. Lemon water helps your mouth and stomach produce more saliva and gastric juices, which help digest food and prevent digestive issues like indigestion, bloating and gas. 2. Lemon water has citric acid, which helps digest proteins and fats, and prevents kidney stones from forming by increasing urine volume and pH. 3. Lemon water keeps the pH levels in your stomach balanced, which can prevent stomach pain and irritation from acidic foods or drinks. 4. Lemon water helps your liver work better, which cleans your body and gets rid of toxins that can cause acne. 5. Lemon water strengthens your immune system, which can fight off germs and bacteria that can cause acne outbreaks. 6. Lemon water keeps your body hydrated, which helps get rid of waste and toxins from your digestive system and your skin. 7. Lemon water gives you vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that protects your skin from damage and helps make collagen, which can make your skin smoother and prevent wrinkles. 8. Lemon water keeps your blood sugar levels stable, which can prevent changes in your appetite, mood and hormones that can affect your acne. 9. Lemon water lowers inflammation, which can reduce the chance of getting diseases like diabetes, heart disease and cancer, and also make your skin look better. 10. Lemon water makes your breath fresh, which can make you feel more confident and happier, and improve your self-image. Lemon water is simple to make and drink. Just squeeze half a lemon into a glass of water and drink it in the morning or during the day. You can also add some honey, ginger, or mint for more taste and benefits. Try it yourself and see how lemon water can help your digestion and blood sugar levels, and improve your acne.